Okay, so I just took my breakfast sausage and I am flattening it out in my sheet pan, just like so. We want a nice flat surface covering this entire sheet pan of our delicious Jimmy John's breakfast sausage. Okay, that's exactly how we want it to look. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and bring in our second sheet pan, the same size as our last one. And I just put my 12 eggs right into that greased sheet pan. I'm instantly gonna come in with my onion butter seasoning. This is my favorite seasoning, but you can season your eggs however you like. Just give it a nice sprinkle. Remember, this is 12 eggs, so you wanna make sure you add enough seasoning. We're gonna do some paprika. I love paprika on my eggs. It just adds a nice color. It tastes amazing. And then of course, we're gonna add some black pepper right on top of these eggs. Yummy. This is gonna be such an easy breakfast. So great for Mother's Day, for a Sunday brunch. And we're just gonna go ahead and whisk up our eggs in our sheet pan so that they are a little bit scrambled. I personally don't like my whole yolks for my breakfast. You can leave them whole or you can scramble them, whatever you prefer, but I just want a quick scramble, get those seasonings mixed in with our eggs. This is gonna be so easy, so delicious. One of the best breakfasts you'll ever make. It's great for meal prep or just great for a Sunday brunch, like I mentioned. Okay, let's go ahead and get these scrambled. Okay, that looks ready for the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and take both of our sheet pans and we are gonna place them in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Oh my, this smells incredible. We have the eggs out and already cooling, but we're gonna go ahead and start with our sausage. I have right here my party pack of Hawaiian sweet rolls, and I went ahead and already cut the tops off, so we're gonna go ahead and transfer these over. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer our giant sausage patty right to our Hawaiian sweet rolls. So this should just be able to slide right off and right onto our Hawaiian sweet rolls. Before we grab our eggs and while our sausage is still hot, I'm gonna grab my Tillamook Colby Jack slices of cheese, because what is a breakfast sandwich without some cheese? So I'm gonna go ahead and put a slice of cheese to cover up this entire party pack of Hawaiian rolls. Look how that sausage just perfectly fit onto our Hawaiian rolls. I couldn't have planned it any better. So if you guys want a quick brunch, this is gonna be it. And it's gonna be delicious. You can use whatever cheese you like. You could even use a different kind of breakfast meat, but personally, I love a sausage in my breakfast sandwich, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of break these apart so that we can fit them here right on the edges. One pack should be enough, but I have more just in case. Go ahead and fill this up. Oh, yep. 9 slices was the perfect amount of cheese for our breakfast sandwich. Beautiful. All right, it is time to get our eggs on top of our sandwich. We're gonna kind of do the same method, kind of learn from our mistakes. And oh yeah, that was even better than the sausage. And no breakfast sandwich is complete without a little bit of sauce. So I'm just using this everything bagel sauce. It seemed appropriate for a breakfast sandwich. And we're just gonna kind of put it here and there, and then we'll spread it out so that each bite gets some of the sauce. So obviously you can leave it sauceless or put some Chick-fil-A sauce or whatever sauce you like right on there. But personally, I like everything but the bagel, so that's why I went with this. And we're gonna spread that out nice and easy. This is almost done. Smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and get our top on. Okay, right there, make sure it's lined up with the bottom of our buns. Delicious. Oh my goodness, look at those layers. These are gonna be so delicious. Let's go ahead and cut these out so we can give them a try. I'm going for 2. This could probably feed, 6 to 8 people, depending on how much you eat. Go ahead and... Oh yeah, look at that. Looks so good. All right, I have a plate here and I'm gonna give it a try. That is so good. Better than McDonald's.